It's a long ride to Brimstone, but I reckon I'll manage.
The best general store in the territory's in Brimstone. I should know. I own it.
Howdy, gunslinger. You'll see plenty more of your kind in Brimstone.
Hey, mister, you heading to Brimstone too? I reckon that's where everyone is heading. Always jobs in Brimstone. Me, I'm going to work for Carnaby Peabody. He's the manager of the Brimstone Bank and a real swell guy.
Mister, you could really use a hot bath and some fresh clothes. Ew! My gracious, whatever is that smell? Sir, you are foul-smelling and terribly rude. I have nothing more to say to you.
What you bothering me for? Sit back down. Well, bounty hunter, if you want this train to make it to Brimstone, you better load up them guns of yours.
Now this here's a robbery. Nobody plays hero, nobody dies.